So today I want to try to get this curb rash out. It's not terribly deep, so it shouldn't be too bad. I'll just sand it and get some black spray paint. I guess maybe like satin or whatever fits that finish best. And then while I have the wheels off, might as well touch up that blue on the caliper that's coming off on all four corners. There's a spot on the front passenger side too, but it's not as bad. It's pretty shallow and small, so that should be a quick fix. And you can see the brake caliper, how it's just kind of chipped off. Focus. Yeah, like that. So I'll just kind of sand it down and repaint that. I got some blue caliper paint I can stick on there. So this car came with one locking lug nut on each of the wheels, but the front locking lug nuts were different than the back. So there was a key for the front, but not for the back. So I had to order one that's kind of like a universal fit, and it does work, but it's not perfect. Yeah, it works. All right, cool. That was on there really good. The fronts were not nearly as hard, so either these are loose or the back got a few extra ugga-duggas. I'm starting to lose confidence in the previous owner because some of these lug nuts were way over torqued and then some of them were like tink loose. So I don't know what was up with that, but I'm gonna take care of it. It's easier to see now that the lowering bolts are backed off as far as they can go, and I'm not about to start cutting bushings. I'm not that dedicated to getting a low car, but I guess I'll just save up for some nice pretty little BC coilovers. And these mufflers are O-Power or U-Power, something like that. I'm gonna look these up and see what the deal is, because I've never heard of these before. It just looks kind of like a race bullet, like not much muffling is gonna happen in those. And you can also tell how bald the tire is. Nice and smooth. Oh, I bought tires. So I went with Mickey Thompson street comps. They're $295, 35, 18s, and I already have some for the front because I used another set for the Charger when I took it to the track. So then whenever those front tires go out, I already have a matching pair of tires to go on the front. I'm a big fan of these tires. So those look real pretty when they go on. You got some meat. I wanted something above 300, but that was really just my ego getting in the way, and these are already expensive enough as is. All right, she's up now. Now I can just pop all the wheels off. Ooh. That's a 275. Oh, they were balanced. Huh. Not a bad looking wheel. Looks like they did just spray paint this black, and now the black's coming off, and then this blue here, you can see a lot of overspray up in here. So they didn't take the time to mask everything off, I guess. But I'll get all this looking right with the paint over there. Oh wow, these are actually pretty light. I mean, they're small, they're like 17 by 9.5, I think. Yeah, 17 by 9.5. You can see the overspray on the wheel studs. It's kind of a quick and dirty job they did. These rotors, or the calipers, are meaty. These rotors still have decent life on them. Be a good time to clean all this up. It's like they did some off-roading, or that was probably me actually. Oh, those are some big rotors. Jeez. Oh yeah, now I can see the front lowering bolts. Those have been lowered all the way too. These front tires have hella tread left. That's good, but they really blew through the rears. This, holy overspray. Wow, nice. I really want to know the story behind this car. I'm the 8th owner, so it's been through a lot of abuse and customization and other various things that previous owners do. Guess I'll just clean that up. These front rotors don't look terrible. Maybe I'll just stop doing that. Just want to clean it all up, see what the deal is. I really love these wheels. They look great on this car. I'm not a huge fan of the OEM ones that came on the car, but these really set it off. My God, they're light. That's good. All right, this one's fine. It's not curved, so I can leave it alone. And just kind of tuck it. This is, oh man, they had some fun. Me too. Wow, these are so skinny compared to the back. Wait till I get my 295s on there. That one's good. Stop. And this one's really hurt. Literally like 180 degrees around. Yikes. It's not super deep, so that's good. I think I can just fuzz it with some sandpaper and it will be a-okay. I'm just gonna go buzz around, try not to go too deep. Actually, I'm gonna do this by hand because I'm scared. I've never done this before. I've never curved a wheel before. Oh, that's gonna be easy. That won't be so bad. Never thought I'd be sanding a wheel. It's a terrible noise. Ah, I should be more careful. I think I can go slow with the pneumatic. I'm gonna use one that's already dull. I think it'll be more forgiving at first. This is terrifying. Too deep and mess up the shape of it. It's pretty smooth. There's still some nicks in it that were deeper, but I don't want to really go after those because that's gonna become a battle. They should kind of disappear when the black's on there. They won't be so obvious. Hopefully people aren't staring at the edge of the wheels so hard. This one should be real quick and easy. Back with an even finer grit and see if I can get all these to blend in even better. I got some 400 grit. I think that'll be good enough. That one you're not even going to tell. That'll be really nice. This one on the other hand, I don't know. that's about as smooth as I'm gonna be able to get it without majorly resurfacing half of the wheel. When I'm rich and famous, I'll get CCWs, so this won't even matter anyway. But for now, this is it. Everything really came out pretty smooth. It's just a lot of the deep gouges I don't want to go after, because it's gonna probably sharpen the bead. I've heard problems with kind of cutting the tire if you make the bead too sharp, and I think they'll kind of disappear when there's some black paint on there. It's just really obvious because it's black and where I sanded has been silver. I guess I'll just clean these up and prep for Pete.